Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-sized luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.